Hi, today I'll show you this new light meter that I have. Let me show you. It's a L302. So this is how it looks like close up. Okay. So there is knob here where you can adjust the shutter speed with. So this is the shutter speed. And to change the variable you want to change, you can press this red button right here. So front, top. So let's say now I'm using my camera at 100 ISO, as long as 100 ISO, okay? So to change from shutter to aperture priority, I just go to TV mode. I mean this mode screen, and then I turn here. It's gonna show a AV screen. Please pardon the this kind of flicker. It's because of the difference in the speed of my camera and the frequency of the screen, the LCD screen here. So yeah. So now I'm on aperture priority mode, and as I change the aperture, the reading will reflect how to say, as the aperture changes, the shutter speed also will react to the change in the aperture. So yeah, there you go. This is how it works, and this is how it looks like. I do sell these light meters. If you find this to be interesting and you want to buy them, you can contact me and I can sell this to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for joining by, and see you guys next time. Bye guys.